Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Use Basics. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a team in Candy Crush Soda. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Candy Crush account. Make sure you're logged into it. Then over here, you can see the option of teams. Tap on it. Over here, you can see the option of bake a cake. Here you can see the option of team. Tap on it. Over here at the top of your before these all name, here you can see the option of Rose Group is the name of the team, and over here you can see the option of settings icon. Tap on it. Over here you can see all the detail, and here you can see the option of leave. Tap on leave. Then they'll ask you to if you want to leave the group or not. Tap on yes. Then after it may take some time. Then they'll ask you to join another team, whichever you like. You can join it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.